Morning, welcome to Colin's Reading Aloud Project Part 175, another 9 minutes or so on M words. Misgauge, misgauged, misgauges, misgauge, misgave, misgive, misgives, misgiving, misgivings, misgo, misgoes, misgoing, misgone, misgotten, misgovern, misgovernance, misgovernances, misgovernance, misgovernances, misgoverned, misgoverning, misgovernment, misgovernments, misgovernor, misgovernors, misgoverns, misgrade, misgraded, misgrades, misgrading, misgraph, misgraft, misgrafted, misgrafting, misgrafts, misgrew, misgrow, misgrowing, misgrowing, misgrown, misgrows, misgrowth, misgrowths, misguess, misguessed, misguesses, misguessing, misguggle, misguggled, misguggles, misguggling, misguidance, misguides, misguide, misguided, misguidedly, misguidedness, misguidednesses, misguider, misguiders, misguides, misguiding, mishallowed, mishandle, mishandled, mishandle, mishandling, mishandlings, mishanter, mishanters, mishap, mishapped, mishappen, mishappened, mishappening, mishappens, mishapping, mishaps, mishapped, mishear, misheard, mishearing, mishears, mishigas, mishigassen, mishigos, mishguggle, mishguggled, mishguggles, mishguggling, mishit, mishits, mishitting, mishmash, mishmashes, mishme, mishmees, mishme, mishmees, mishmosh, mishmoshes, mishugars, mishugases, misidentified, misidentifies, misidentifying, misidentify, misidentifying, misimpression, misimpressions, misimprove, misimproved, misimprovement, misimprovements, misimproves, misimproving, misinfer, misinferred, misinferring, misinfers, misinform, misinformant, misinformants, misinformation, misinformations, misinformed, misinformer, misinformers, misinforming, misinforms, misinstruct, misinstructed, misinstructing, misinstruction, misinstructions, misinstructs, misintelligence, misintend, misintended, misintending, misintends, misinter, misinterpret, misinterpreted, misinterpreter, misinterpreters, misinterpreting, misinterprets, misinterred, misinterring, misinters, misjoin, misjoinder, misjoinders, misjoined, misjoining, misjoins, misjudge, misjudged, misjudgment, misjudgments, misjudger, misjudgers, misjudges, misjudging, misjudgment, misjudgments, miscall, miscalls, miskeep, miskeeping, miskeeps, miscon, misconned, misconning, miskens, miskent, miskept, miskey, miskeyed, miskeying, miskies, miskick, miskicked, miskicking, miskicks, misknew, misknow, misknowing, misknowledge, misknowledges, misknown, misknows, mislabel, mislabeled, mislabeling, mislabeled, mislabeling, mislabels, mislabour, mislaboured, mislabouring, mislabours, mislabour, mislaboured, mislabouring, mislabours, mislaid, mislain, mislay, mislayer, mislayers, mislaying, mislays, mislead, misleader, misleaders, misleading, misleadingly, misleads, misleered, mislearn, mislearned, mislearning, mislearns, mislearnt, misled, misleak, misleaked, misleaks, misleaking, mistletoe, mistletoes, mislie, mislies, mislight, mislighted, mislighting, mislights, mislike, misliked, misliker, mislikers, mislikes, misliking, mislikings, mislippen, mislippened, mislippening, mislippens, mislit, mislive, mislived, mislives, mislives, misliving, mislocate, mislocated, mislocates, mislocating, mislocation, mislocations, mislodge, mislodged, mislodges, mislodging, misluck, mislucked, mislucking, mislucks, mislying, mismade, mismake, mismakes, mismaking, mismanage, mismanaged, mismanagement, mismanagements, mismanager, mismanagers, mismanages, mismanaging, mismanners, mismark, mismarked, mismarking, mismarks, mismarriage, mismarriages, mismarried, mismarries, mismarry, mismarrying, mismatch, mismatched, mismatches, mismatching, mismatchment, mismatchments, mismate, mismated, mismates, mismating, mismeasure, mismeasured, mismeasurement, mismeasurements, mismeasures, mismeasuring, mismeet, mismeeting, mismeets, mismet, mismeter, mismetered, mismeters, mismetering, mismove, mismoved, mismoves, mismoving, misname, misnamed, misnames, misnaming, misnomer, misnomered, misnomering, misnomers, misnumber, misnumbered, misnumbering, misnumbers, miso, misobservance, misobservances, misobserve, misobserved, misobserves, misobserving, misocapnic, misoclear, misogamic, misogamies, misogamists, misogamy, misogynic, misogynies, misogynist, misogynistic, misogynistical, misogynists, misogynous, misogyny, misologies, misologist, misologists, misology, misoneism, misoneisms, misoneist, misoneistic, misoneists, misorder, misordered, misordering, misorders, misorient, misorientation, misorientations, misoriented, misorienting, misorients, misos, mispackage, mispackaged, mispackages, mispackaging, mispage, mispaged, mispages, mispaging, mispaint, mispainted, mispainting, mispaints, mispass, mispassed, mispasses, mispassing, mispart, misparted, misparting, misparts, mispatch, mispatched, mispatches, mispatching, mispen, mispenned, mispenning, mispens, misperceive, misperceived, misperceives, misperceiving, misperception, misperceptions, mispersuade, mispersuaded, mispersuades, mispersuading, mispersuasion, mispersuasions, misphrase, misphrased, misphrases, misphrasing, mispickle, mispickles, misplace, misplaced, misplacement, misplacements, misplaces, misplacing, misplan, misplanned, misplanning, misplans, misplant, misplanted, misplanting, misplants, misplay, misplayed, misplaying, misplays, misplead, mispleaded, mispleading, mispleadings, mispleads, misplease, mispleased, mispleases, mispleasing, mispled, mispoint, mispointed, mispointing, mispoints, mispoise, mispoised, mispoises, mispoising, misposition, mispositioned, mispositioning, mispositions, mispraise, mispraised, mispraises, mispraising, misprice, mispriced, misprices, mispricing, misprint, misprinted, misprinting, misprints, misprise, misprised, misprises, misprising, misprision, misprisions, misprise, misprised, mispriser, misprisers, misprises, misprising, misprogram, misprogrammed, misprogramming, misprogrammed, misprogramming, misprograms, mispronounce, mispronounced, mispronounces, mispronouncing, misproportion, misproportioned, misproportions, misproud, mispunctuate, mispunctuated, mispunctuates, mispunctuating, mispunctuation, mispunctuations, misquotation, misquotations, misquote, misquoted, misquota, misquoters, misquotes, misquoting, misraise, misraised, misraises, misraising, misrate, misrated, misrates, misrating, misread, misreading, misreadings,